Okay, I don't know if I signed up for this, but what the hell. Meera getting blindfolded as well? This seems like 50 Shades of Grey to me. I don't know. I thought it was a children's book. What's happening here?
It's only me.
I know, but still, I can fantasize, Mandira.
Okay.
Is something going into my mouth now? Okay. Yeah? Ah. Can I have one more of it? Yeah. I know this.
Come on.
It's
you
a
can do
fruit.
this.
Oh. It's a fruit. Why don't I know this? I'm going blank. I know it's a fruit. You want to tell me it's apple? Okay. Banana.
Well, you're not. Okay, fine. That was right, but you're not supposed to help. You can't say A for
I
apple.
thought it was you mix the two together.
All right. You get one right. Somebody's keeping score, I hope.
Apple and banana.
It's apple banana mash.
Okay. No one told you I'm allergic to banana, right? I break into hives. But that's fine.
Lie. Yummy.
Ugh. No. What is this? This I don't know because I don't like.
He doesn't like it. He doesn't know. So
What is this? What is it?
it was mashed sweet potato.
It's
Very good for you.
No.
Moving on to number 3.
Ah.
Now you gotta like this.
This is yogurt, is it? No. What is it?
Okay.
Oh, this is little santra it had in it.
No, sorry, you
No,
got this
shit.
wrong as well.
What is it?
That was avocado.
This is avocado?
Yes. And here we are with the last
Can
one.
I judge the cooking?
It's just mashed avocado.
Okay, now.
This is the last one. Number 4.
It's like porridge or something. What is it?
Oh, sorry. You got that right.
Is it right?
So you got 2 wrong, 2 right. You can take the blind.
Meera just get 2 wrong. Yeah, I don't like to lose. Can I? She'll get all 4 right. I know it.
What's the bribe, Karan, for me to get the 2 wrong?
Oh. I already gave you the hamper, Meera. What more can I offer you?
Open your mouth.
It tastes really good, but
It's not easy.
can I give another bite?
No, you can't give a hint.
Yeah, I can have another bite.
Another bite.
I don't know what it is.
Come
Give me
on.
this bite.
It's yum. I just can't figure out what it is.
That's
I
not
don't
the
know.
correct
I don't know what it
answer,
is.
though.
Can you put
It's
that in my
delicious,
mouth?
Pooja. Give me 1
I don't
point.
know what it is.
It's, is it like, it's a fruit.
Oh, I think, is it, can I say?
No,
No,
let her
it's
guess.
my turn.
She gets it wrong, you get a go.
It's like papaya,
No, wrong.
melon. What is it?
Is it like apricot?
Everybody got it wrong. It's kiwi. It's kiwi mango mash.
Okay, listen. Kiwi and mango, who's gonna guess?
Mango you can guess.
Yeah, but it's with kiwi.
Ganesh.
Oh, it's kiwi and mango?
Yeah.
Nah, hello. Yeah.
Next one. You got it really difficult. You've made it quite hard for these people. Yes.
Listen, Pooja, I think you're giving me the harder ones.
Very good. Suffer now.
Okay, guys, how about this? It's got 2 ingredients. You get
Like
one of them right.
veggies?
Yes.
Does it have veggies?
Yes.
And some kind of carb, like oats?
No.
Wrong. Press that red thing. There she got it
I
wrong.
know. Try and guess
Veggies and
what vegetable?
carrot.
Okay, come on.
And
We have to give it to her.
yeah, carrot.
It's carrot and beetroot.
Carrot and
It's a difficult
beetroot.
taste to actually
Yeah.
decipher when you're blindfolded or otherwise. Okay, third one. Easy peasy.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon. Bang on. Okay, now you're currently at a tie. You've got to get this last one
This
right.
is a tiebreaker.
This is the
Better
tiebreaker
get it
of round
wrong.
one. Of
Oh.
round one.
Yuck.
See, there's one terrible thing always there is.
It's a porridge. Yeah. It's got like some nice ghee in it, and it's ragi.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Well
I don't
done.
know what does ragi taste like? Huh? No, I don't want. Thank you. Not at all.
That's amazing. You win round one. Well done, Thank you. I'm trying not to ruin your hair. Okay, now, if you thought round one was difficult, wait till you see what happens in round two. We need the...
Acha. Where are these?
These are here.
No, that's not. Oh God. Okay. Are we meant to start?
Yes.
Okay.
You're both making separate dishes, is it? Yes. Okay. Whoever gets it closer to the picture is the one who wins the round. Is somebody timing this? Okay. You have exactly... Okay, I've been told you have 3 minutes to do this. Just 3. 3. Chop, chop. Pooja, while they're doing what they're doing, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the book. How long did it take to... How long did it take from start to finish? Let them do it. How long did the book take from start to finish, from when you decided on it to today?
A good 3 years. Oh, my daughter's prompting me. Yes, because it wasn't easy. I was developing the book as they were developing, and there was a lot of data that I first wanted, so that it's genuine and it's researched and it's not just hearsay. Because there's, like he said, like Karan said, there's so much advice. Everyone's giving you advice, and we need to filter the good and the bad, and we don't need to get paranoid and helicopter mom. So we have to know where to draw the line and when to stop. So there are many things that you have to try, but there are many battles that sometimes it's okay if you lose. Just keeping the bigger picture in mind, because there's not every battle that you're going to win. I can't eat this, I can't do that. There's not everything that you can force your child to. So there's a way that we're going to be doing a little bit of, and a little bit of leniency as well.
Which are your favorite recipes, the ones which are tried, tested, and approved of by your daughters?
So there is an egg wrap. Egg's my favorite, and that's why Karan's making 2 beautiful dolls with boiled eggs. And oh, well done, Karan. We have lots of. The eyelashes are really long. So there's an egg rack recipe, which is very easy to put in the kids' tiffin box. It tastes good cold. So there are many such recipes which are all 5 fingers of nutrition taken care of, so that you can still pack nutrition into your kids' tiffin.
I'm done as well as I can do. I'm done. My eyes are a bit scattered. Listen, she's got the infinitely tougher job.
Okay, now,
I think
how
I
do we
would
do this?
can-
We need a camera that'll zoom in on both of these, so we can see them on the screen, and all of you can decide who's done better. Do we have a camera that can come forward?
Very good. Okay. Crown is.
3 minutes are up. Thank you. I get reminded 3 minutes are up. Now,
Listen,
how do
I
we?
think she needs to win. It was amazing what she has done.
That is absolutely amazing.
Sorry.
Karan, that's pretty good.
Yes, thank you.
We have just very, very long eyelashes.
We have long
Lovely.
eyelashes.
So, I don't know, should we call it?
Yes.
I think the winner is.
Okay, the winner
Meera.
is Meera. You can come and take a look at the
I love
handwork in a
Karan.
little
Can I eat
bit.
one piece of this?
So when it comes to the best of three, Karan, I'm afraid
I've
you've
lost
lost
already.
both rounds. No, well, you know, we're going to move on. We're going to move on to the unveiling right now. Both of you did a wonderful job. Both of you have been very sporting. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Big round of applause for Karan and Meera. Yes, and since Meera has won both rounds, we're not doing round 3. Can we?
Excuse me. Oye, Bagicha.